Hey guys, it's Tech. Yeah, today I want us to review and unbox this Phillips steam iron. Yeah, it's a very nice flat iron which you can buy, and you know that you have bought something which is durable and portable to use. So let us go ahead and check what is written on the box. Then after we unbox, we relate with the product. So here it shows you that it's a easy speed, and speeds up your ironing in 3 ways. All right, so let's go ahead and check what is here up. So it shows you that one is steam boost up to 110 grams. Another one, it is a durable ceramic solar plate. So I will show you this solar plate. It's very nice, and it doesn't also burn the crosses. Then 3 is this a drip stop. Yeah, it has a lot of features. As you can see, it has a lot of features compared to other flat irons which we know. So the one, it is continuous steam. So when you go into the settings of this flat iron and you set it, it can do this continuous steam, whereby it cannot burn your clothes, and again it makes it flat very well. So again, it has steam booster. I will show you vertical steam, ceramic solar plate, triple precision tip. Then it has also drip stop, water tank, also integrated water spray. Then it also has the it can also calculate the clean. So let us go ahead and we unbox this flat iron. We say so this comes with a user guides, as you can see. In the box, so these are the user guides. As you can see, you can read through so that it can assist you to know how you can use it. Yes, but I'm going to give you a short quick review how you can use this flat iron. So as you can see, this is the water tank. It has a big water tank. You can refill water from here. You can refill water into this water tank. Then it also has this water spray. So this is the water spray. Yes. Then it has also the control. This is the control. You can use it to adjust either the steam, as you can see. So this is also the button controls. You press to emit water from here. Then this one is for the steam. If you want to control it by yourself, or if you want it automatic to keep on, you just switch like this. It has also the switches here. It can show you you want high or you want less. Yes. Then from here you switch it off. Here you can control for by yourself. Then also it has here also this control. So this control also, it assists you to control the level of the solar plate. This is the solar plate. Yes, this is the solar plate. All right. So it comes with a long cable, as you can see. See, a very long cable. It's not short. Yeah, so this one, if you can see this is the bottom. You see, it is very large, and also it cannot fall. It keeps it firm. Yeah, so guys, if you want to check it out, you can just find this one at less cost, but it's really durable and good. Yes, and it's not heavy. If you want for also to assist you in traveling, it is really good. Yes, this is the power. If you are someone who is interested in a power usage, yes, then this is the solar plate. Very nice, as you can see, compared to old plates, the aluminum plates. Yes. All right, guys, this is the simple review which I can give you. If you have any comments, you can just leave them down in the comment section below. All right, thank you. Catch you in the next one.